Hey everybody, it's finally nice enough to work on the boat today. I have done quite a few things on the boat itself, just over the cold winter, just picking at it here and there. Let me give you a quick once over of what I've done and get you guys caught up. So the first thing you'll notice is the knees, and I did put them both in on both sides. I think the cutout was done on the last video already. I did have to touch that up quite a bit, but the knees turned out really good. The next thing we're going to go to is all the way over here on the breast hook. I did that and got it all put together there. Came out really nice. It's great looking hickory there. And then today I put the inwales in. The outside guard is in, and I cut down the stem. It's not really to shape yet, but generally speaking, we're looking a lot more like a boat now. And we're going to see if we can't get the tops of the gunnels on. I got to get the one guard on the other side yet. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I know this is a quick one, but just to get everybody caught up.